Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to use Mistral AI. It's just like ChatGPT, by the way, guys. This is how it should look like. So how to get in here, just type in here Mistral AI on the web face, and this link right there would be the one you should be looking for. Simply click on it and then you'll be arriving on this platform, simply logged in using your dummy Google account. So how does it works? Use it as how you use ChatGPT if you're familiar with it, or just ask any question you want. You'll find some attachment here. For example, you can drop your PDF or images. It has three tools. It has Canva, image generation, web search, and code interpreter. This is actually good. Libraries right there means that you can create your very own library. Just a disclaimer, I'm using a free account, so the versions or other features are only available for Pro and Team, such like creating your own agent. What does it mean for creating your very own agent? That means you can create your very own model for this one. Let's try it out. Let me just check in this one. I can change the dark or light theme here. You can switch generations. You can archive and so much more. Click on settings for this one. You're going to have this option where you can delete and even create your messengers. Alright? So let me just type in here, go back on the lead chat or let chat. And basically for this one, please create a step-by-step tutorial like this one for the title, how to eat properly, something like that. I'm gonna click on answer for that one, and right now it's creating a tutorial. Now to create this one or stop this answer, simply click on this box icon or the stop logo. As you can see right here, there are gonna be an option where you can insert or open the results. You can copy this one as it is, or basically you can check the resources. You can click on new chat to just remove this one and start from new chat, alright? Anyway, that being said, that's how you use this one. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.